Is your Amana dishwasher not working? Steamy hot, the soap not rinsed out. And there's water in. Ah, faggot! It's hot too. It drains. You know what I'm going to be doing tomorrow? You got to take out some screws out of the door. You take this control off. You got to jam something underneath this switch right here. What we had is an error code of 4.3. 4.3 is this control motor right here not working for some reason. So it has 115 volts across it. When I go on pin 1 and 3 is this blue wire, light blue. So I checked that with my voltmeter and I was reading 0.7 ohms, and this says it's supposed to be between 5 and 15 ohms. So I was getting that, and I'm getting 120 volts, but the motor is not coming on. So I know this is a 60 watt load. So what I did is I took this lamp, 60 watt light bulb, wired it up to 2 wires, jumpered to this plug here, and that's to simulate the motor. And so that light should come on. So then what you do is you do this sequence right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you get the service diagnostic codes, which is the blinking of this clean button. And it tells you what the code is. And you keep going. It goes past the error code 1, error code 2, and error code 4. And then it goes to the next sequence where it actually tests things out. What you want to do is get it so where it goes to the water pump cycle. There we go. So we're going to hit cancel again. We're going to hit this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All the lights come on. Now we're going to advance. Cycle 2 is on. High temp. And start. Try it some more. There we go. It must have been one more. Alright. So apparently it's getting high voltage, but only for a split second. Not long enough to get that motor to run. 2 and 1. You flip that over, and you'll see that pin 2 and 1 go over to this triac right here. So that is the culprit. This thing's only 4 years old. I don't know. Sounds like it's working. It's ready for this crazy household to put her back into action. Have a nice day. Like and subscribe, Galloway Life.